about that what are Sattvic Tantric Pujas, some sort of information we want on this particular topic. So yes, here I am today. I will be talking about Sattvic Tantric Pujas. Okay, let's come to the point of black magic removal, because this is again associated, together, associated with each other, these two topics, black magic removal and Sattvic Tantric Pujas. Okay, when we say that negativity removal and when we say black magic removal, automatically this process of Sattvic Tantric Pujas come into the picture. Okay, how? Now you have to understand, like I always say, that black magic or negative energies have different levels to it and different kinds and different types, and like every disease, I would call it, because it's obviously a disease, sort of a disease, black magic, evil things, So let's take if it's a disease, and every disease also has its own percentage level, degree level, how strong it is, and its own stages. Okay, similarly, when we talk about the most dangerous and very, very dangerous black magic or negative energies, okay, which means that you're actually trapped into something which is highly explosive, highly dangerous, highly poisonous. It destroys your life. It just makes you go upside down, your whole of your life, your thought process, everything, your health, everything, depending on which department it's been actually targeted on in your life. Okay, so we talk about negative and evil things around you. We talk about the most evil things around you, number of evil things around you in your life. Okay, so of course, when the disease is so much dangerous and the disease is such high degree negativity, okay, then of course the cure also has to be up to the mark, okay, and on its own level, matching to the level of destroying the evil. So then what comes in? Then of course your normal pujas that pandits do, priests do, they will not come to the picture. Okay, I am not trying to disrespect any puja therapy or puja process, but I'm just trying to explain you, like it's something like that you have a normal doctor and then you have a surgeon, okay, for something which is more complicated. Similarly, these are tantrics, and I'm going to talk about tantrics means nothing to be scared about. I'm not talking about tantrics who sit with these clothes on and these big tikas and who just make fraud out of you and make you fools in your own life and making you feel that everything is just so much creepy for you, but ultimately they are just fooling around. No, I'm not talking about those tantrics. I'm talking about genuine tantrics. And when I say tantrics, I simply mean who understand tantra in a pure way, who know how to utilize the tantric practices for the betterment of people. Okay, this is what I mean. All right, because I know that the moment people hear this word tantric, they really feel scared, especially the educated class, especially the corporate class, and people who are not aware of the different dimensions which are all around us, because they are just not aware of it, so they feel very, very scared. So no, I am not talking about those tantrics who do evil things. There are tantrics who are doing these black magic processes on people, which is just not allowed, I always say. Okay, but of course, and they have to go through their karma cycle after they do this act. I have divided this video into two parts. When I say the first part, I will talk about what is the thought process of the people the moment they hear the word tantric, and something I want to clarify about the tantrics as well. Okay, and I want to explain the different kinds of people who will misguide you or guide you through. Okay, so you need to know how to differentiate between them, whether it comes to their websites, when it comes to their guidances, everything. Okay, so this is the first part, and the second part will come next week. Okay, but right now in the first part I want to discuss about tantrics. So how to know that whether this person is genuine or not. See, first of all, I would say this to you very clearly. Whenever you go to a place, okay, when you see these online websites all around you where it's written, that we will do a black magic reversal, your enemy, we will send 1,000 times worse things to him or her. You come to us once and we'll cure you, and after that we will send very bad things to the person. And they also have a service of black magic removal. Along with the black magic removal, they also have a service written on their website which says black magic, get the black magic done. Okay, so the moment you hear this, or the moment you read this on the internet, that this one person is talking about the black magic removal on his website or her website, and is also talking about doing black magic, okay, or doing Vashikaran and all of that different things of black magic, but the main word is black magic, that get the black magic done by us. People, please, I'm letting you know, just get out of that website immediately. No matter how much popular that person is, no matter how much, I don't know, how many ads you see, or how much, maybe his website is just on the first page of Google, and, all of that, all those marketing techniques and commercial, just get out of that website, because you will land yourself into big troubles. I've been time and again saying that, but since I'm talking about the most dangerous black magic processes today, and I want to discuss about the powerful Sattvic Tantric Pujas, okay, which I will of course discuss in the second part, but right now I'm letting you know, this is the first evidence that you can collect. The moment there are two different things written on the same website, that means this person is not correct, this person is not genuine. Today he is telling you to get the black magic removed from you, and tomorrow he or she can be the same person who does some kind of a black magic on you. Okay, so please be aware of this. Okay, this is the first evidence. Second evidence, what you can collect, this person is genuine or not. Read the site. Even if the person say that I am doing the Sattvic cures and I'm doing a correct sort of a tantric puja, you have to read that what they are actually doing. Okay, are they simply just make a call or write a mail and just ask them, okay, that we are into so and so problem and what can be done. We contacted a black magic specialist and we were so angry that we said that just do something bad with the enemy, and we are ready to pay so much amount of money, no matter how much money you say, and just do this for us. So see, I have come across so many emails that my clients have written to me, that they write that they are not doing black magic on anybody, but the moment they hear the money part, and the moment they hear that you are so much aggressive about the thought of doing something bad on your enemy, they agree to this and they say, okay, fine, we'll do this for you, and don't worry, we'll remove the black magic also and we'll do this on you. That means what I'm trying to say is they write something else on the website, but when it comes to the practical terms of getting to speak to them through any correspondence, whether it's a mail, telephone, or whatever it is, a Skype call or whatever, they agree to you. But if the person is correct, that person will tell you that no, I am not into this kind of a work, just contact somebody else, it was clearly written on my website and all of that. Okay, so be aware of this. Now the first part I wanted to just talk about this. The second part will come the next week. Wait for it, and I will talk about the Sattvic Tantra, that what and how we do this to cure this high level of negativity. Okay, till then, goodbye.